Look, I know the last thing you want to spend your money on is bug traps, but we wanted to highlight a few of our best value solutions so you don't have to break the bank to live pest free. For less than $1 each, our scented bug and fly ribbons are incredibly effective at taking out annoying flying insects. Or you could check out our glow stick flying insect trap for only $11.99. The LED light lasts for up to 10,000 hours, so that's literally less than a cent per hour. Our overall best-selling Max Catch glue board trap is an all-in-one solution for pests, seriously anything, and it's also less than $1 per trap. That's only a few of our ridiculously well-priced solutions, so follow for more.